Good morning! I made the right choice to stay here at the Three Rivers Casino. And yeah, I slept like a baby. It was just really cold. I put on my warm socks. What was that? I was telling you about my long johns and then the battery just died on me. That never happened before, but luckily I've got two. Yeah, so I'm in Florence, Three Rivers Casino. This looks like a blue sky and some sunshine in my face. So it's gonna be a bright day. Since I got pulled over by the police last night, I figure I'll just look for a garage. I got a bulb for 12 bucks for my car, and I'm taking my car apart and trying to install the bulb, which kind of is working. I asked for a screwdriver from O'Reilly's after the guys told me they can't fix my car now, but I can buy the bulb and do it myself. And I looked on YouTube and apparently it's fairly easy. This is my new battery, by the way. So far so good. No more being pulled over by the police. This changes everything. I can drive in the dark. I am not restricted to doing all my driving till 5-ish. I installed a new light bulb, which is not a big deal actually, but for me it's a big deal because I didn't want to spend more than $30 on my lights, and now I just spent $12 on a new bulb and did it myself. This is the exact same spot where I've seen huge sea lions last year. This has always been a nice spot, and it's not raining, it's not super cold, it's a bit chilly. I don't see any sea lions, but that doesn't really matter. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing a whale. I would really like to see a whale, but I mean, this view is just incredible. This is just the best place to have a cup of tea and finish my cookies. Ginger cookies from San Francisco. So delicious. And now I'm in Yachats or Jechats or whatever you call it. Beautiful. And I remember, of course I remember, I've been here just in the beginning, in the first week in America, I think 5 or 6 weeks ago. I was over there, at that sightseeing point over there, and I think it was raining, and it was definitely windy and cold, and now it's also chilly. It's definitely not warm. Before freezing out here, I'm gonna go for a quick beach walk. It's kind of windy, I'm cold. I should have put on my trousers, but I'm still in shorts and I will probably never come to this place again, but I mean, who knows? But it's very unlikely that it's gonna be within the next couple of years. So I have to take full advantage of it. The minute I leave town, it starts raining. It's gonna rain anywhere, everywhere, basically. Anyway, it's gonna rain anyway from tomorrow, basically everywhere I go to. It's gonna rain all the way up to Vancouver. Just drizzling. It's not, I wouldn't call it rain, just drizzling, but it's definitely gonna rain. It's raining. I bought chocolate, I bought anchovies, hummus and corn tortillas. Very yummy. Oh, I hope nobody died in this one. This looked awful. 3 really smashed cars. Oh man, oh, the poor people. I'm back in Pacific City after 5 weeks. Now I hope the campground's still open so I can take a shower. This is dead easy. I'm gonna become a mechanic.